In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background in Photoshop automatically. We're keeping this quick and beginner-friendly, focusing on the fastest built-in method that delivers clean results with minimal effort. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can isolate your subject and get a transparent background in just a few moments. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. You can drag the file onto the Photoshop icon or use File and Open to browse to it. This method works best when your subject stands out clearly from the background, but it's surprisingly good even with busy scenes. Higher resolution images typically produce cleaner edges, especially around hair, fur, and fine details. Once your image is open, look at the Layers panel, usually located on the right side of your workspace. Click the layer that contains your photo to make sure it's highlighted. If you only have a single image, it's likely already selected. This step simply tells Photoshop which layer you want to process. You don't need to manually erase anything or make selections first. Photoshop will take care of that in a moment. Next, go to the Properties panel. If you don't see it, open the Window menu at the top and choose Properties. This panel includes helpful quick actions that can automate common tasks. If your layer is a standard pixel layer, you'll see an option called Remove Background inside the Properties panel. That's the magic button we're going to use. Go ahead and click Remove Background. Photoshop will analyze the image, find the subject, and automatically hide the background. Behind the scenes, it uses Adobe's subject detection and applies a layer mask, which means the original pixels are preserved. This non-destructive approach is great because you can always fine-tune or revert later without losing quality. Depending on your image size and computer, the process might take a few seconds. When it's done, you'll see a mask thumbnail added to the layer, and the background will be removed or hidden so you can place your subject on any backdrop you like. A few quick tips for best results. Even lighting and clear separation between subject and background help the algorithm perform better. If your subject has intricate edges, expect a solid first pass and remember that the mask keeps your edits flexible. Also, interface labels can vary slightly between Photoshop versions, but the Remove Background button will be in the Properties panel under Quick Actions. And that's it. Open your image, select your layer, reveal the Properties panel, and click Remove Background. Simple, fast, and ready for your next design.